Hi, Sam here with jbugs.com. We're going to go over testing some of the electrical components and switches for our car before we install them along with our new wiring harness. In this video, we're going to test the brake light warning switch, the fan switch, and the fresh air fan. We start with the brake warning light. The brake warning light is designed to tell us if there's an issue with our brakes, which have two circuits, a front and a rear. If there were an issue, and one of the circuits didn't work, the light would come on. We can also test that the light works once the key is on by pressing the button. Looking at the back of the light, we have a 31 terminal, a 15 terminal, and a K terminal. We ground out the 31 terminal with a jumper wire and use a 12-volt jumper box to provide power. We power up the 15 terminal, which would be our key power, and we press the button to turn on the light. Then we apply power to the K terminal, as if there were an issue with the brakes, the K terminal would get power from a brake light switch and turn on the light. The brake light warning switch is an odd and oftentimes not used item, but ours works, so we can install it. Next, as we're going to use the fresh air box and fan, we'll test the fresh air switch using a multimeter, and we have it set to test continuity with an audible beep. Looking at the back of the switch, we have three terminals: power in and power out to two terminals. One of the terminals is labeled 30, so that is our power in. 33F is power out for speed 1, and 33B is power out for speed 2. We set one lead of our meter on the 30 terminal, and with the switch off, we don't have continuity at either of the other two terminals. We turn the switch to speed 1, and we have continuity at the 33F terminal. Then we turn the switch to speed 2, and check for continuity at the next terminal, the 33B. We no longer have continuity at 33F, but we do at 33B. And at the off position, again, nothing has continuity. With our switch tested, we'll check our refurbished fresh air box. We'll use a 12-volt jump box and hook up the brown ground wire. Then we can hook up the black-green wire, which is speed 1, and we can hear our motor working. Next, we'll hook up the black wire for speed 2 and hear the motor turning faster than before, so we confirm that it's working, and we can install our fresh air box when the time comes.